Hey guys, today we're going to draw the Mutant Skibidi toilet. So grab a pencil, a paper, check out some of my drawing books if you have a moment. They're in the description, and let's get going on him. So this is the Skibidi toilet who has mutated into kind of a guy. He is able to walk, but he still has the toilet part of him. So let's start with his smile. Let's do it a little bit different today. So what we're going to do is do kind of this crooked smile. It's not perfect, and that's kind of on purpose. And we'll give him kind of this big open mouth that he's known for. And then right there in the center, just create kind of these teeth that come up just like that. And then on the bottom, do the same thing. And then we're going to fill in on both sides. We're going to make it dark. Now right above it, I'm going to draw this nose, which will just be kind of this bump. And then two cheek lines that go on each side, just like that. All right, now right up center above the nose, draw these kind of angry eyebrows, just like that. So one on each side. There we go. And I'm going to do a little line above each eyebrow just to show the anger, and a couple of lines up there. That'll kind of show a wrinkle. And then what we'll do is just do a big circle on each side with little dots for the eyeballs. All right, now right below his mouth, I want you to draw this big curved line like that. That's going to actually be the toilet, the front of the toilet that sticks out of his chest, and then just draw a big curve that connects them, and another line kind of showing the seat like that. All right, now for his head, we can come right off the top of that toilet, come up, curve around, and then come all the way down like that. Now on each side of his head, he has these earmuffs to protect him from the sound that come from Speaker Man. So let's draw those. They're gonna come out just like that. I'm gonna put a little line down the middle. And then on the top of each one, we'll just do a little square and a line, and then on that line we're gonna do another little hoop that comes up and comes over. Now last of all, I'm gonna draw his hair, which kind of goes in the middle, and you'll notice like, hey, there's a little line that comes through there. You can just erase that if you want, and then you've got his hair, and you've got his headphones or earmuffs, whatever you want to call them, that cover that up. All right, let's move on to his arms. I'm going to come right off the side of the toilet on the top here, come down and curve on each side, and these are going to curve into his hands. And we'll just create little bumps that come right off into these fists. All right, on the inside, we'll come off the toilet again and then create a bump that comes in with a line. That'll make the inside fist. And on this side, similar thing, inside fist, just like that. And we'll have the jacket come down and in, just like that. Same on the other side. All right, now let's do some pockets on his jacket. Just gonna add some details here. And let's connect his jacket with a belt. Awesome. All right, let's see. Before we're done with the arms, I wanna add his sleeves. That will be kind of important. All right, we are getting close on him. I like the way he looks so far. Let's come off his jacket and do a couple lines that come straight down on each side. And then we'll draw the inside of his legs. Always bring them down a little farther so that we can connect the shoes. And then the shoes are gonna just be this curve. It comes in like that and then curve up and over. Same thing on the other side, curve around, then we'll go up and over. And then I like to add just one more line on the bottom of the shoes. It kind of creates, it looks like a sole. All right, last thing we need to do are to add these little rocket slash guns on the back of him. And what I'm going to do is just draw lines down and then break them up with like a curved, to kind of curve to make it look like a cylinder. And we'll do that 3 times. Just like that. And then curve the last part in with just a little narrow hoop like that. And we're going to do that on each side of him. Have that go behind. And we will be good to go. This series kind of just came out of nowhere on YouTube. It's pretty interesting. I don't know who it is, what their name is that created it. They definitely have a very interesting imagination and ability to tell stories. And that's it. All right, we are done with our Mutant Skibidi toilet. Let's color him. All right, guys, thank you a ton for hanging out today. Make sure you share the video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see some of my new drawings coming up, and I will see you guys next time.